Hello children, good morning. Today we are going to start our first class maths second chapter, that is numbers up to 20. So in the previous class already we have completed our revision pre-number concepts, that is big small, more less, tall short. So all these pre-number concepts we have completed in our previous class. Today we are going to start our class with numbers up to 20. So here we have the numbers up to 20. So all of you open your textbooks, take your pencils. So the numbers up to 20 here we can see. So first one, let us get started with count and write how many. So here first we have count and write. How many? How many are there? We have to count and write. First we can see the picture carefully here. We have to observe the picture carefully. Here one picture is there. So in this picture here we have so many things in this picture. For example, trees are there, eggs are there, people, fish, ducks, hens, house, baskets. So many things we can observe in the picture. So here we can see all of you the page number, textbook page number 77. Here we can see the picture. Count and write how many. So here we have the small circles. So here we can see on the board. So I have written already here the things what are there in the picture. I have written on the board. So here we can see trees, eggs, people, fish, ducks, hens, houses, baskets. So in front of these I have made a circles also. Here there are some circles. So I have written here, I have drawn a circle also in front of these words. So first we have to observe the picture carefully and then you have to count and write how many are there in the picture. So what are the things and how many things are there in the picture. So the first one already trees. They have given the number 5. Answer, they have already given there 5 trees. How could we say there are 5 trees? Let us count in the picture. So here in the picture, here we can see the big trees. So here we have the trees. How many trees are there? There are 5 trees. 1, 2, 3, 4 and 5. Totally there are 5 trees are there in the picture. So like this way, you have to observe the picture, you have to count and write them. How many are there? That number you must write in this circle. The next one is eggs. So where are the eggs in this picture? If you see the picture carefully, here we can see the eggs. So how many eggs are there? What are that count? You must count and then you have to write in the circle. For example, here we can see the eggs. Seema, I'll show you. In this, here a small, here one bird also is there, hen also is there. Here we can see in the picture. So on the, here one pond is there. In this pond some ducks are there. Ducklings, one big duck and a mother duck and a baby ducklings are there. And fish are there in the pond. Here we can see the fish. And here we can see a coop like there are here some hens are there in the picture and trees are there. 5 trees already we have counted and some children, one child is there, people are there, one boy is there and one lady is there, means and one man also is there, means we can say as they are one family like one father, mother and a son is there. So here we can see these all pond. In the pond there are fish and the ducklings are there, hen are there. Near the hens here we can see the eggs also. Let us count how many eggs are there. 1, 2, 3. Here 3 eggs are there on the top and down. Here on the ground we can see some more 3 eggs. 3, 4, 5, 6. So here we can see total 6 eggs are there in our picture. So let us write here 6. The eggs are 6 eggs are there in our picture. And the people. So how many people are there in the picture? So here we can see the 3 people. So one boy, one lady, one mother and a father. So total 3 people are there. So here we can write the people are means 3 people are there in our picture. And then they have given as fish. How many fish are there? So in this picture we can see here we have the pond. So in this pond how many fish are there we can see? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So total 7 fish are there in the pond. So here we can write 7. 7 fish are there in the pond. And then ducks. How many ducks are there? So in this pond we can see some ducklings are there. So one big duck is there, mother duck, and some baby ducklings are there. So total how many are there we can count here. So first the big one. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, and here is the last one 8. So total 8 ducks are there in our picture. So here we can write 8 in the circle. 8 ducks are there. One mother duck and the remaining are 7 ducklings. They are also swimming in the pond. So fish already we have written, ducks over, and then we'll go to hens now. So here we can see how many hens are there. So in this picture we can count the hens also. So here we have near the net 1. And inside another one is 2. Here outside laying the eggs 3. And here near the grass another one more is there. So total 1, 2, 3, 4. So there are 4 hens are there in the picture. So we'll write the 4 number here in the circle. Now coming to the last one is houses. Whatever the house is, here can we see any house there in the picture? No. There are no houses in the picture. So we can observe the picture carefully. Here house is not there in our picture. So we'll write as any one picture also not there means. So we can write as 0. Nothing. Nothing means 0. 0 means nothing. So no houses are there. So 0. Now last one is they have given as baskets. So where are the baskets here? Where we can see the basket? Yes. The father here, he is holding one basket there. So the father, he is keeping behind here we can see one next to him. Beside to him, the father beside to him, here we can see one basket, and the mother she is holding another basket. So here we have the 2 baskets in our picture. Let us write the number 2. So we can see here the 2 baskets. So finally we have completed our circles. So we have finished our trees. So 5 trees are there, 6 eggs are there, 3 people are there, 7 fish are there, and 8 ducks, 4 hens, and the houses are nothing, 0, and the baskets are 2 baskets we have in the picture. So count and write. So we have completed our count and write here. So now let us go to the next page, that is page number 78. Numbers 1 to 10. So here we can write, already we have studied all these number names. Again one more time, let us practice all these number names. So 1, count and write the numbers and the number names. Read them aloud. Means you must, when you are writing time, when you are practicing time, you must read loudly, clearly. So the spellings all you must read clearly. So the first one is 1. 1 means 1. Here number we are writing 1. And the spelling is O-N-E-1. O-N-E-1. So you have to practice here. You have to trace out the numbers, and here we have to write the spellings also. O-N-E-1. So all of you, these number names you can practice in your textbook. You can practice the numbers, all of you can write these numbers all in the textbook. In your textbook page number 78. So let us read the spellings one more time. Say all of you say ma. O-N-E-1, T-W-O-2, T-H-R-E-3, F-O-U-R-4, F-I-V-E-5, S-I-X-6, S-E-V-E-N-7, EIGHT 8, NINE 9, TEN 10. So you have to practice all these number names in your textbook. Page number 78. Now here we go to the next page. Count and circle the correct numbers. Some pictures are there. You have to count the pictures. How many are there the pictures? You have to count and you have to circle the correct number. They have given the 3 options there. One is the correct option and the remaining 2 are wrong. So we have to count the picture. How many pictures are there we have to count. And then the correct number you must do the circle. For example, the first one already has given there. You can observe the picture here. So here we have the picture of a teddy bear. How many teddy bears are there? Let us count. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So total how many teddy bears are there? 6. Here they have given the number 5, 6, 7. So teddy bears are how many are there? 6. The only correct number only you must do the circle here. The remaining numbers you can leave like that only. So like this way the remaining also you have to complete in your textbooks. The page number 79. Here we have the beautiful pictures of pencils, balloons, car, ball, cup. So all these you can count and you can circle the correct number. And then come to the next Roman. Here we can see count and write the numbers, match them with the numbers. You have to count the number, you have to match the numbers. Means this side they have given the number names. Not numbers, number names. Means the spellings. FOUR 4, SIX 6, THRE 3, FIVE 5. So here they have given the pictures. How many pictures are there? First let us count. After that spelling number name you must do the matching. So already one they have completed here. So let us see now. So the first here we can see the puppies. So here small puppies. How many puppies are there? 1, 2, 3. 3 puppies are there. Here you have to write the number. So here I have written the number 3. So here the spellings. So 3 spelling THRE 3. So where is the 3 spelling? Here we have the 3 spelling THRE 3. So from 3 number to 3 spelling you can do the matching, means you have to draw a line here. So in this pattern you must complete all these. Page number 79 you can complete these Romans. Children, I hope all of you understood what I am saying. So all of you follow these children. Now come to the next page. Here we have 0. So children, so here the page number 80. 80 in our textbook. Here we have the 0. What do you mean by 0? Let us see here. So here we can see in the textbook there are 2 children eating 2 apples. Here we have a basket and there are 2 apples in the basket. There are 2 apples are there in the basket. So here 2 children are sitting there. A boy and a girl. So Rehan and Neha. So the boy name is Rehan and the girl name is Neha. So both of them came and they took the apples. So Rehan ate 1 apple and Neha also ate 1 apple. So there are total 2 apples are there in the baskets. 1 apple ate the Rehan. So 1 apple ate Neha. So from the 2 apples, 1 apple ate by Rehan, another apple ate by Neha. So now how many apples are there in the baskets? Any apples are there in the baskets? For example, you think these are the 2 apples. 1 apple Rehan ate, another apple Neha ate. Now how many apples are there in the basket? Yes, that is 0, nothing. There are no apples are there in the baskets. There are only 2 apples are there. The 2 apples the 2 children they ate off. Now how many are there in the basket? Nothing. So empty basket. That is an empty basket. Means 0. that is called as 0. So there are no apples in the baskets. It can be written as like this. So this is the 0. 0 means nothing. Nothing is there. So here we can see Nana, when nothing is left, we say it as 0. So when nothing is there, we can say as 0. Mummy will say, okay, you suppose you both are, mummy is there now. So mummy has given 2 chocolates for you. You and your brother, they ate each chocolate. Now how many chocolates are there? Nothing. So all the chocolates, 2 chocolates, one chocolate only given mummy. So that 1 chocolate you have ate off. Now if chocolate mummy come and ask where is the chocolate means there is no chocolate mummy, full. It went into our tummy, so there is no chocolate. Nothing mummy. So you will say as nothing. So 0. Nothing means 0. That can be written as like this, 0. So here we can see another example. Count and write the number of birds sitting on each branch. Here we can see the colorful birds. 4 colorful birds are sitting on the branch. So here we have the circle also, Nana. Here we can write the number. In this circle, here we have the circle. In our page number 80, here we can see in the textbook. So 4 birds are 4 colorful birds. Yellow, blue color bird, pink color and the violet color. So 4 birds. Let us sing a song like that. So here we can see 4 little dicky birds sitting on a branch. 4 little. So how many birds are there? So in the first picture we can see 4 birds are sitting on the branch. So in the middle of the circle here we can write the number 4. Here we can enter the 4. So here 4 birds are sitting. So we can sing a song like Nana. 4 little dicky birds sitting on a branch. Now suddenly what happened to come to the next picture? 1 little dicky bird flew away. So 1 little dicky bird flew away. So among the 4 birds, so total 4 birds are there. Among the 4 birds, 1 bird fly away. So it has been fly away. So remaining how many are there? Yes. See here we can see the picture 1. Last this violet color bird has flew away. So the remaining birds are 3. So here we can write the number 3. Yes children? Okay. Now come to the next picture here. So in the next picture here we can see 3 little dicky birds sitting on a branch and 1 little dicky bird flew away. In the next picture again 1 bird has been flew away. So here the pink color bird has been flew away. So here we can write the 2. Now remaining how many are there? So 1 flew away. So 4 birds are there. 1 flew away. 3 we have written. After that 3 little birds were sitting on the branch and 1 little dicky bird flew away. Now remaining how many are there? 2. 2 little dicky birds sitting on a branch. Here we can see yellow bird and a blue bird. So the pink bird also has been flew away. So here we have written the number 2. Now come to the next picture. Here we can see 1 little dicky bird. Only 1 bird is sitting there. So 1 little dicky bird flew away. Again from the 2 birds, again the blue color bird also has been flew away. So here only 1 picture. So here we can write the number 1. So only 1 yellow color bird only sitting silently there. After that it has been thinking that my friends all there flew away. So I have to leave now. So myself also leaving. So now that 1 yellow color bird also, 1 little dicky bird also flew away. So now how many are there? No, 0. Nobody are there on the branch. All the 4 birds flew away into the sky. So here on the branch we can see 1 bird also not there. So nothing is there means here what you can say? Yes, 0. So what you have to write here? 0. So here we can understand the pictures children. Yes, okay ma. Here we have the 4 little dicky birds. 1 bird has been flown away, remaining 3. Again 3 little dicky birds. 1 has been flown away, then 2. Again 2 little dicky birds. 1 has been flew away, so only 1. Now last finally that 1 little dicky bird also flew away. So last finally here, nobody is there. The branch is empty. Nothing is there. So here we can write 0. This is called as 0. 0 means nothing. 0 means nothing, empty. Now I have one chalk piece in my hand, another chalk piece in my hand. These two chalk pieces have been still writing means the pink chalk piece is over. After that, only one word, one chalk piece is there. This one chalk piece also, after writing on the board, it has been also completed. Now, how many chalk pieces are there in my hand? Nothing. 0 means my hand is empty. So, here we can see 0 means nothing. 0 means when nothing is there means you can say as 0. 0 chocolates, 0 biscuits, 0. Okay, children, I hope all of you understood this about 0. So, all of you can enter into your textbooks. Here, write the number 0. They have given here trace and write. So, you have to trace and write the zeros in your textbook. Page number 80.